Yo. It's your boy Scrilla Spraig, man. We on Hip Hop Unplugged. Hey, look, 2 times. Shout out to my brother Black Sheep Blaze. My nigga Pop Play Swag. It's only up from here, nigga. You know the vibes. Spirit. I just had an epiphany when they mention local rappers. Don't nobody mention me. Thoroughbred nigga, getting money, staying off the scene. But who gives a fuck when the whole world is off of being fitting, all jumping, all the plucks on the better things. Who really getting money when the fit smoke them out they jeans? Blocks getting scarce, no more plugs for the re-up. So how you gon' move? Offense or you gon' D-up? See, I just keep it simple and plain. I keep them fishing. Always gotta play by the rules, no double dipping. Got my tread safe on, I gotta stay slip resistant. 10 toes in this walk of my life, I keep it pimping. Going to it, getting straight to the bag. Now that's the mission. Intervene or interrupt my vision, I gotta fix them. Grown man, 33, we monsters. I'm a blitzer. Play no games in this life that I'm living. Please make your hole safe. Please make your hole safe.